Hello, trainees. You have already learned how to prepare a lesson plan systematically for a theory subject. Now you shall learn how to make a demonstration plan systematically for a practical skill. The objectives of the video are: after the session, you will be able to define demo plan, explain the steps involved in making a demo plan, prepare a demo plan. So let's begin. Definition of a demonstration plan. Demonstration plan is a detailed description of a practical lesson or a skill prepared by an instructor for a specific duration of time. Demonstration plan is a detailed description of a practical lesson or a skill prepared by an instructor for a specific duration of time. The four components of a demo plan are preparation step, demonstration or presentation step, imitation or application step. 1. Practice or evaluation, that is, test step. Let's first take a look at demo plan. Let's look at the preparation step in detail. Step 1. Preparation. This must be a skill and this demonstration should not take more than 30 minutes at a time. Next, objectives. As the demonstration is for a particular skill, there will be only one objective, but there can also be one or two additional objectives very closely interlinked. Next, tools and other requirements indicate here the various requirements of raw materials, tools, equipments, measuring or checking instruments, etc. to conduct the demonstration so that they can be arranged before we start the demonstration. For the demonstration of the skill, you need to provide the specification of the required items and quantity required correctly. Next, introduction. Before the demonstration of the skill commences, a short introductory talk or review of preparing the learners is done. Information about the importance of the skill, how it is related to other known skills, etc., would create a desire or motivation in the learners to learn the skill. Let's look at the demonstration step in detail. Step 2. Demonstration or presentation. Procedure. The actual step in the performance, that is, do of the skill, in sequence are written here. Information points or safety precautions. Against this step, the sequential procedure or any information such as why, what, or how, tell or show, and important safety precautions that may be relevant at this step are written in the form of using catchwords, keywords. Questions. Questions to draw attention, stimulate thinking or to recall information and to check understanding are written against each stage. Let's look at the imitation step in detail. Step 3. Imitation or application. After the demonstration is over, opportunity is provided to learners to do the skill by themselves independently. Instructor guides them to learn the skill correctly and quickly. Instructors should rectify trainees' mistakes, if any, then and there. Summary. The sequential steps in the performance of the skill and important information or safety precaution are stressed and repeated. Let's look at the practice step in detail. Step 4. Practice or evaluation. Test. In this step, the instructor provides opportunity to learners to practice the above skill such that they attain accuracy, speed, and quality through repetition following safety precautions. During this step, the instructor has to evaluate the trainee performance. Next skill. Write the title of the next skill to be demonstrated here. Trade. Specify trade. Date. Day when demo plan prepared. Demo number. Refer to syllabus. Module or unit. Refer syllabus. Time. Required time for demo. 1. Preparation. Skill. Practical topic to be performed. Objectives. After demonstrating of the skill, the trainees will be able to state the behavioral objectives of the skill in logical sequence. Objectives should not be written as 1. What is Ohm's law? 2. The verification of Ohm's law, etc. Write objectives starting with measurable action verbs. Tools and other requirements. Necessary tools, equipments, raw materials, consumables required for the demonstration. Introduction. Review. Link previous knowledge of the learner to connect the present skill. Motivation. Create willingness to learn. Tell the purpose of learning. Second, presentation. Procedure. Information points or safety precautions. Hints. Write main points with reference to the objectives. Step-by-step procedure of the practical work and safety precautions to be followed. Symbols, spot hints, models and charts. Third, application. Ability to use learnt material in new and concrete situations. Check the learner uses facts, principles, rules and theories in solving problems. Application of skill gained. Imitation of the demonstration. Developing questions, probing questions may be asked while demonstrating the skill. Interact with trainees. Summary. Summarizing the skill with reference to the objectives. Fourth, test. Assignment. To be given to the trainees related to the skill. Reference. Book name and author name for reference. Next skill. Topic of the next practical or extended teaching. For example, trade, electrician. Date 8/11/2023. Demo number 01. Model unit 2. Time 30 minutes. 1. Preparation. Skill. Verification of Kirchhoff's law. 1. Objectives. After demonstrating the skill, the trainees will be able to check the components and equipments, draw the Kirchhoff's law diagram, construct the circuit, verify Kirchhoff's law, KCL and KVL. 2. Tools and other requirements. Resistor, PCB, dot matrix, soldering iron, connecting wire, milliammeter, voltmeter and DC regulated power supply, multimeter, etc. 3. Introduction. A. Review. Previous class you learnt DC circuit theory. B. Motivation. Kirchhoff's law is a very important for network analysis. 2. Presentation. Procedure. Information points or safety precautions. Hints. 1. Check the components. Check the physical and electrical working conditions of the components and equipments. 2. Circuit diagram. V is equal to V1 plus V2. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Procedure. Information points or safety precautions. Hints. 3. Construction of circuit. 1. Construct the circuit as per the circuit diagram. 2. Apply DC voltage to the circuit. 3. Observe and record the current in milliamps. 4. Observe and record the voltage in volts. 5. Calculate the voltage and current by using the formula. Record the reading in tabular column. 4. Safety protections. 1. While connecting the components, be sure the power supply is switched off. 2. Ammeter and voltmeter connections must be connected properly. Applied voltage. Voltage across resistance. Current. 3. Application. 1. Ask the trainees to observe the readings. Summary. Summarize the skill. You have learnt about Kirchhoff's law, verification of Kirchhoff's law, KCL and KVL. 4. Test. Assignment. 1. Find the value of R if 1 is equal to 10 milliamps and V is equal to 20 volts. Reference NIMI. EM First Year Trade Practical. Next lesson. Conductor joint. Let's quickly recap what we have learned till now. This video on demonstration plan preparation emphasizes its definition, importance, and components. The 4 steps include preparation, demonstration, imitation, and practice or evaluation. Each step outlines objectives, tools, introduction, procedure, information points, safety precautions, and questions. The practice or evaluation step allows learners to independently apply and refine the demonstrated skill. I hope you have understood whatever was taught in the video. See you in another interesting and exciting video. Until then, thank you and goodbye.